Deep within the universe lies a secret. Everything is made of energy, and this energy can be shaped by your hands. Today, I invite you to discover how to control your energy by blending the wisdom of the West with the ancient teachings of the East. In this journey, we will explore the mental mastery of Franz Bardon, the breath power of Qi Gong, and the art of will by Aleister Crowley to uncover the limitless strength within you. Ancient wisdom whispers that everything is a vibration, while Western masters have learned the secret to shaping it through willpower. Eastern sages have mastered harmonizing it through breath. Franz Bardon tells us, "Your mind is a mirror of the universe. If you can control it, you can control your energy." Qi Gong, on the other hand, uses the breath to move Qi, the life energy, bringing harmony to the body and soul. Now, let's explore how to combine these two approaches. One of the fundamental techniques taught in the mystery schools of the West is cleansing the mind like a mirror to direct energy. Light a candle and fix your gaze on its flame. Take a deep breath, watch the movement of the flame, and imagine its energy flowing into your core. With each breath, feel this light strengthening you. In the East, breath is seen as the essence of life. Qi Gong uses the power of breath to awaken the energy channels of the body. Stand upright, letting your hands rest freely at your sides. Inhale slowly through your nose, lifting your hands gently to chest level. Imagine energy flowing from your hands into your body. Exhale slowly through your mouth while lowering your hand back down. Repeat this cycle 3 times. The effects of these ancient practices will manifest not only in your spiritual realm, but also in your physical and mental worlds. With each practice, you'll feel more vibrant and energized. Your focus will sharpen, and your mind will find a calmer state. You will feel the potential within your soul and align with the universe. These techniques become most powerful when you establish a rhythm in your life. Start the day with breathing techniques to energize yourself. Balance your energy by practicing the candle focus for a few minutes. End the day with Qi Gong movements to harmonize your body and mind. Every small practice will elevate your inner power step by step. After trying these techniques, share your experiences with us. We look forward to your feedback. Remember, every step on this path brings you closer to an inner discovery.